In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into Google Sheets, a handy skill that can enhance the usefulness and appeal of your spreadsheets. Whether you're tracking visual data or simply want to personalize your sheets, embedding images directly into your cells is a great feature to utilize. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to click on the cell where you'd like the image to appear. You might have a specific reason for choosing this particular cell, such as where it makes the most sense in terms of your sheet's layout or its relevance to the data around it. Once you've selected the right cell, your next move is to navigate to the top menu where you'll see a tab labeled Insert. It's located right after Format, and once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. In the drop-down menu, look for the Image option. There are a couple of ways you can insert your image, but we are focusing on adding the image directly into the cell. A very neat feature that makes your image move seamlessly with your data, should you decide to alter or organize your spreadsheet differently later on. So go ahead and select Image in Cell. Choosing this will prompt Google Sheets to open a panel that offers you several pathways for inserting your image. Now, when it comes to selecting your image, Google provides multiple options to cater to your unique needs. You could choose to upload from computer, which is perfect if the image you want is saved locally on your device. If you prefer to capture something live, you can select Camera, which activates your device's camera, allowing you to take a photo and insert it directly. Another convenient option is using a URL if your image is hosted online. In this case, simply copy the URL of the image and paste it in when prompted. Lastly, you can opt for Google Drive, which lets you choose images stored in your Google Drive account. This is especially handy if you're working within the Google ecosystem and prefer to keep everything cloud-based. Once you've made your choice and selected the image that you want to add, go right ahead and click Insert. With that, your image will be embedded into the cell you selected earlier, and you'll find it perfectly fits within the confines of that cell, maintaining the crisp, clean look of your sheet. That's it. You've successfully inserted an image into a Google Sheets cell, and with this knowledge, you can add a whole new dimension to your data presentation. Remember, utilizing these visual elements effectively can really make your spreadsheet stand out and be that much more informative and engaging. Keep exploring and experimenting with these features, and they'll surely serve you well in your Google Sheets endeavors.